Importance of practical business strategies for independent quick service restaurants to sustain beyond 5 years. This important article is authored by the following scientists. To explore strategies that independent quick service restaurant owners use to sustain business beyond the first 5 years. Qualitative multiple case study design was used in this study. Data were collected from semi-structured interviews with 6 owners of independent quick service restaurants in Little Rock, Arkansas, who sustained their business beyond the first 5 years, and from the review of business documents concerning sustainability. The study was conducted between January 2019 to May 2019. A qualitative research design was used to explore the narrative experiences and contemporary experiences and the culture of independent quick service restaurant owners. Second, researchers conducted semi-structured interviews to collect data from the independent quick service restaurant owners. Finally, a thematic analysis was conducted to organize data from the interviews and make a conclusion from the collected data regarding. The findings of the study identified 6 emerging themes: organization value, customer required excellence, financial perspective, human assets, physical operating materials, and technological prowess. These 6 emerging themes contributed significantly to the success of the business practice by 1. Providing a guide for operating an independent quick service restaurant with limited resources. 2. Determining whether internal resources are heterogeneous and immobile. 3. Evaluating internal resources to determine their competitive advantage. And 4. Leverage internal resources to achieve optimal outcomes. The implications for positive social change include the potential to support the welfare of the citizens in Little Rock, Arkansas, and owners of quick service restaurants across the United States by providing them with the strategies necessary to increase their survival rate, improve job sustainability, and encourage job creation. The successful owners of independent quick service restaurants knew how to respond to challenges. They knew how to leverage their limited internal resources using informal strategies to create sustained competitive advantage. Starting a small business can be difficult, and many do not survive long term. In the US, less than 65% of small businesses make it past their 5th year. Quick service restaurants, QSRs, places where customers order food at the counter, are a popular type of small business. These restaurants are part of the fast food industry, which continues to grow despite economic challenges. In Little Rock, Arkansas, there are over 2,000 QSRs employing more than 46,000 people. However, many of these businesses, especially those that are independently owned and not part of a franchise, struggle to stay open. On average, over 100 independent QSRs in Little Rock close or become inactive each year. These closures hurt the local economy and community. This study explores what strategies successful independent QSR owners in Little Rock use to keep their businesses running for more than 5 years. By learning from these business owners, the research hopes to uncover key practices that can help other small restaurant owners succeed. The study provides insights into how these owners manage their operations, adapt to changes, and overcome challenges. The findings may help future entrepreneurs and support the growth and stability of small businesses in the food service industry. Owners of independent quick service restaurants confront challenges with limited resources every day in business. The finding of this study revealed that successful owners of independent quick service restaurants knew how to respond to challenges. They knew how to leverage their limited internal resources using informal strategies to create sustained competitive advantage. Some leaders of firms outperform other leaders by leveraging their internal resources to create sustained competitive advantage. In addition, the owners know how to make value for their customers. The strategies identified in the findings provided solutions that owners of independent quick service restaurants can use to grow and sustain a business. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.